Hello everyone. So in today's class again we will continue the same chapter 11. So in previous lecture already we had discussed what is special concrete, then types of special concrete, ready mix concrete, then types of again RMC, high performance concrete, its composition, then again types, its advantage, disadvantage, application already discussed. So today I am going to discuss about another special concrete. This is silica fume concrete. So it is composed of basically cement, silica fume, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate and water. Fresh and hardened properties of silica fume concrete is superior to conventional concrete. Again, for instance, it has higher compressive and flexural strength if we compare it with conventional concrete. And again, it is generally more efficient in concretes having high water cement ratio. That means 1 kg of silica fume can replace 3 to 4 kg of cement in concrete without changing the compressive strength of concrete. Again, ultra high strength concrete is possible with silica fume additives. Next, some advantages and disadvantages. Advantages like it enhances the properties of fresh and hardened concrete. It reduces segregation and bleeding of fresh concrete. It has high durability. The finishing process is efficient due to low bleeding. And if we say about disadvantages, it is availability issue, also high cost. Next is application. So it has different applications. Some applications are like high-rise building. We can use in high-rise building, parking structures, dam structure, nuclear waste storage facilities area, then shotcrete rehabilitation, etc. Another thing, one important thing, that is gunting. What is gunting? Or we can say also shotcrete. So gunting is a technique that consists of the pumping of mortar or concrete at a high velocity through a hose or spray gun to apply on the surface. And the gunting process is also known as dry shotcreting. We can also say it is a process of spraying a mix of mortar or concrete at high pressure to the surface with the help of spray gun. So gunting is one of the most effective techniques which is widely used for the repairing of the concrete which is damaged. Also, the gunting process is used in the slope stabilization, construction of retention walls, water tanks, pools, dam, etc. Some advantages of gunting are like it is economical as compared to other types of method. The dry mix can be prepared quickly as compared to wet shotcreting mix. Disadvantages like the dry mix of concrete can clog or block the hose pipe during the application of concrete, and the process of gunting required a skilled operator. Also, the quality of the work depends upon the operator, and in this method there may be chances of wastage of concrete. So these are some main disadvantages of this process. Next is shotcrete. So already I have told that gunting, we can also say gunting or dry shotcrete. So what is shotcrete? Let's see. The term shotcrete itself says that it is a technique in which the concrete is shot out through the hose is known as shotcrete, and it is sprayed on the surface through a hose at a high velocity, and it is used with both wet mix as well as in dry mix. So, and this process is done with a special unit which consists of a mortar gun. The dry mix of cement, sand and aggregate is prepared in the appropriate proportion for the process of shotcreting. And there are different types of shotcreting techniques or machines are available which help to control the complete process and make it easy. So here are some advantages like it forms strong and uniform layer of concrete on the surface, and this process is more economical as compared to conventional concrete. and it is suitable for the construction where the formwork cannot be installed. And disadvantages like there may be chances of developing crack if more water is added in the pre-mixed concrete. Also, the process of shotcreting is a little bit expensive if we compare it with the gunting process. Next, if we compare the comparison or difference between shotcrete and gunting. So, first for shotcreting, it is a technique of spraying of concrete on the surface at high pressure. It is a technique of spray mix of mortar concrete at high velocity. Again, here the shotcrete process can be done with both dry mix as well as wet mix, but here gunting process only dry mix, so that it is also known as dry shotcreting. Here in the shotcreting process, large size of aggregates can be also we can use, but for gunting process small size of aggregate we prefer. And for shotcreting process is used for a large quantity of work, but it is used for small quantity of work. So these are some major difference between gunting and shotcreting process. So with this, the chapter 11 is completed, and in next lecture again we will start a new chapter. Thank you.